adding and formatting an image in Keynote. At the top, I'm going to hit the media button. Then I'm going to click photo or video. I do have the option of adding in a photo straight from the camera or recording audio. I can also insert a file from somewhere else or an image gallery, which is always a good option. So if we just go into your photos, you can choose any of those. I've got some images here. We've been talking about earthquakes. Going to drag this image in. I can format it using the blue around the edge. I can also drag and drop where I like it. You can see these guidelines. I can get it directly in the middle. The paintbrush is going to help me as well. I can flip it, so that's a good thing for your translation or transformation style lessons in maths. You can change the size of it with proportions. You can rotate it. Again, transformations or for the aesthetics. You can undo with that button. Now you can always, and if you've got multiple images, you can use that slider tool just here to arrange it. So let's add in what I would like to do. I'm going to remove background. So you can see I've tapped it and remove backgrounds topped up. So let's go with this. Now she becomes another part of my image. So I'm going to place her on top. I could use that slider to turn her back, undo. But now we've got a really good juxtaposition there of this girl coming into this environment, looking like that. Just using those formatting options really easily.